Hi and hello there, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So ngayon naalamin natin, mga babes, for my Earth sign peoples, Aalamin natin kung sino ang paparating sa inyo. So, just take only what resonates, guys. Okay? So, kung hindi nyo pa nasumpatado channel, link down below sa ating description box para makapunta kayo there. Hi sa ating mga bagong viewers. My name is Yan. Tuloy po kayo and you can also bring your other loved ones here. And yes, lahat tayong gender by lalaki LGBT. Possible din mag-switch ang roles. Why? Kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat tayo may free will if you want to get the messages. Pwede nyo i-claim yon and leave the rest behind, no? Kasi baka yun for other viewers naman. So, cross-watchers ni Taurus, welcome ka rin. Cross-watchers dito ni Capricorn and Virgo, welcome rin kayo. Basta cross-watchers ni Earth Signs, welcome din kayong Chumika Chumismis. Archangel Michael, maraming salamat Angel Guides. Can we get messages kung sino itong paparating kay Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn? Can you please show me signs, informations, hints, clues about this person here? Who is this person here coming towards my Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Army of Guardian Angels, thank you so much. Okay, let's go ahead and check this energies. You have here, guys, the Four of Coins in reverse. Someone who's not holding back. I like that energy. Hindi umuurong, sulong lang ng sulong. At ang maganda, pinag-iisipan niya pa yan ng mabuti. Ang taong ito no, ay marunong sa pera. Lumalabas din yan dito. Andito rin po ang Five of Coins, Seven of Cups energy. May chance na ma-meet mo ito online, no? So we also have here the Six of Swords energy. Literally na talagang parating na siya sa'yo. I'm seeing this person here. Page of Coins energy, Nine of Coins also nandito. And we have the Empress. This is your energy here, Taurus. Okay? So, Earth signs, just take only what resonates. We have here as well this Nine of Wands and the Three of Swords. Okay, I do see that whoever this energy is coming towards you, you are the only one healer. You will be that significant person na makakapag-heal sa buhay niya. However, this energy is coming towards you, you're gonna meet this person here na I'm picking up, okay, 3 to 5 months from now, 3 months, no, or early, sa 3 months, no, that's the fastest that I'm picking up for you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ito ay bagong tao po. Wala ritong bahid ng ex mo. So, this person right in here ay person na nakikita ko rito, no, na maaring makilala mo online or more likely sa online kayo mag-uusap, okay? This person here ay nakikita kong may distance between you guys. It's physical distance here. Could be your locations are far from each other. But I do see that this person here is someone who's single right now. This person here ay someone na high chance na pwede rin kaka-break lang, okay, or kakatapos lang rito, no, na mag-heal sa kanyang nakaraan, no? And yung role mo rito, no, hindi para maging rebound ha, or hindi para maging panakip-butas dito, no, kundi, okay, ang hihilumin mo rito, no, ay ang kanya ritong paniniwala sa love. Kasi nga kaka-break niya lang, baka hindi siya open for love, or not really into love na kasi nasaktan siya, no, and you will reopen his or her heart, no? You will show this person here, no, na hindi lahat ng tao ay kagaya ng wala niyang kwentang ex. At hindi mo yun patutunayan, it will just reflect naturally, no, your moves, your actions, no, the way you move, earth signs. Okay? Doon niya makikita rito na yung love ay hindi mapanakit lang. You know, because this person will see you as the Empress. Okay? For my earth signs people, no, not just Taurus, no, but Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no? Makikita kayo nitong new person na 'to, no, as someone very ibang-iba sa lahat, natatangi, no? Kaya unti-unti mong mailalaglag with this Nine of Wands energy and the Three of Swords yung mga wounds niya, okay? Yung mga parang tingin niya na nabago about love, no? And now, this person here will slowly open up sa'yo. Look at that, okay? Slowly but surely, steady, no, na mag-o-open up dito sa'yo. Yan, no? And this is the start here of something fresh. This is not just a new relationship sprouting right in here, no? And I do pick up that this is something here that will stand the test of time. Your connection here, when we say will stand the test of time, ibig sabihin, this is your lifelong or what's this? Long-term partner that you will be with, no? Okay, na makakasama habang buhay. Wow! I do see that this person right in here is someone dito, no, na feeling abandoned right now. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa kanila puwedeng kaka-break pa lang nila, no, or maybe thinking, kung hindi man kaka-break, no, thinking na walang person na kayang maging responsible sa heart ng iba. Okay? So whatever the case may be, this person here will find you, ikaw, Virgo, Capricorn, no, na nagtataglay rito, no, ng mga katangian na gusto niya. This is a total reflection of you in terms of love. Kasi nakikita ko rito, the way you view love, yung mga katangian ng isang person na hinahanap mo sa isang man or woman to love, ay yun din yung hinahanap. That's why you're mirroring each other's feelings, emotions, and yung mga minamanifest ninyo when it comes to love, no? Mga minamanifest ninyong behavior and characteristics ng inyong person, di ba? When it comes to love, you, okay, you guys, ini-embody nyo yung pareho. You, him, or her, okay? You both have the same view when it comes to partner. Okay? Para kayo ritong nananalamin kasi kung ano yung hanap mo sa isang partner, yun din ang hanap niya sa isang partner, no? And I do pick up that this is not just a simple encounter, but this is something here, no, that there's this hidden, okay, na kayong dalawa lang yung makakahanap nun. Okay? And I also do see, yeah, wow. So it looks like, no, I just heard kasi dito past life. So ibig sabihin mga babes, no, talagang hindi talaga pumapalya. Every time that you are being reborn again, this person here nare-reborn din siya. So talagang it's not a mistake that you will find each other again in this lifetime because you already did sa sobrang dami ng past lives. Wow! Kaya naman pala, no, hindi na pala nakakapagtaka ito, ilang beses na pala kayo nagtatagpo sa maraming lifetimes together with this person right in here. So this is your lover and will always be your lover. Tari, parang kanta lang, no? Ano yun? Always be my baby. So, definitely, time cannot erase right in here sa inyong history. Nakakaloka kapag pala siya ay nabubuhay sa isang time period. Matik na ikaw din ay nandoon, no, sa time period na yun. Taray, living under the same world, living under the same sky and timeline. Ote! So, ibig sabihin para kayo ritong hindi mapaghihiwalay talaga ang inyong mga PC ay palaging magkadugtong. Ang taong ito ay hindi lang pala nagkataon na parte ng buhay mo, kundi buhay niyo ang isa't isa. Wow! Alam mo itong tao na 'to, 'no, nakita ko rito na meron siya ritong magandang money flow ng energy. So, ibig sabihin lahat ng kanyang gagawin, 'no, ay magiging successful, especially when it is related to his or her career, job, business, or money-related, finances-related matters or things, okay? So, may success siya doon. This person here could be younger than you as well. That's what I'm seeing right in here. So, this person here also, meron din ditong difference sa kanyang culture background right in here. Maybe someone coming from a different country or, you know, just different religion or traditions, beliefs, okay? Puwede rin pong gano'n. Okay, and also this person here speaks of, it looks like may alam siyang 2 to 3 more languages, like dialects, okay? Languages, okay? Others 3 or more, others 2 or more. Okay, that's what I'm seeing from this person right in here, and definitely, oh, wow! I just saw the 1111 right in here. So whatever this energy is, definitely you're on the right track. See, you hold the number 11. This person hold the number 11. Okay, see, mirroring numbers. Okay, you reflect each other talaga. Wow. This person pala, hindi siya dito pala bili ng mga gamit. That's what I'm seeing right in here. And there's also a possibility that this person here, no, ay marami rin talaga siya ditong savings 'no, at saka ang ganda kasi organize siya, parang alam niya na parang ito para 'to dito sa utilities, ito para sa travel niya, ito parang gano'n siya, eh, 'no, very organized person. Wow! 'Yun yung nakikita ko rito, and this person right in here ay someone 'no, na very sweet, okay. Once na matanggal mo na yung kanya ritong mga walls na nakatayo sa kanyang self, no, you will see how romantic and sweet this person is. Okay, that you will definitely feel that you've already found the love of your life. So yeah, Earth signs, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, I'm Yuriana Ani. Sana ngayong love and light. Annyeong.